How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here once again with Patrick Volvo Cars, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we have another awesome video for you today. But this one's a little bittersweet because this is a 2024 Volvo S60, and sadly, it's being discontinued after this model year. This is one of the best driving sedans on the market. We're going to tell you why. Stay tuned. The 2024 Volvo S60. Now, like I said, this car is getting discontinued after this next model year. We are very sad about that, but Volvo is deciding to move into a more electric model range. So we're going to be seeing likes of the EX90, the EX30, cars like that coming out in the future to replace some of these internal combustion vehicles. This particular car is in denim blue. It's one of my favorite colors for Volvo models. It just looks so good, works with any color combination possible. It is just so stately and still looks cool. It's classy and sporty at the same time. It's just a great, great color. This car is also a dark theme, so it gets all of the black trim on the outside, including the grille, little accents by the front bumper. You get these awesome 19-inch diamond cut wheels, which look fantastic. Volvo always makes incredible looking wheels. You also get black mirrors and black window trim as well. That is opposed to the bright theme, which gives you all chrome accents in place where all the black is on this car. You also have the Thor's hammer headlights, which is so distinctly Volvo. Fits in with their Swedish ties so well. Perfect name for them because that's exactly what it looks like. And they're so distinctly Volvo, you immediately recognize one in your rearview mirror. They look so, so good. I've always thought that if a car could somehow have good posture, a Volvo would definitely have that. Somehow these cars are just so perfectly proportioned in their styling. They're understated, but classy, but also a little bit sporty too. They just do such good job at making a great all-around package, all-around great looking car. It's really hard to design a car these days with all of the safety regulations going around, but Volvo knows how to do it. They've been doing it great for a long time, and we're gonna see more of that in the future. Now, some tech specs for an engine. This car has a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, puts out 247 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. Now, this car also has a 48-volt hybrid battery system. You never have to plug it in, you never have to charge it. It's all just going to do that itself while you're driving the car using regenerative braking and such. So, it's a really mild hybrid system. You honestly won't even notice it's there, and it's just helping you get better fuel economy. Now, those power figures are actually a little misleading because this car actually drives a lot better and a lot faster than it sounds on paper. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission and really, really light power steering, which makes the car feel very, very tossable and playful as you're driving behind the wheel. You're always going to be in exactly the right gear that you need to be, and it's always going to keep you right in the power band to have performance whenever you need it. Speaking of those safety systems, of course, that's what Volvos have been known for decades and decades now. This car has all of the latest technology as far as that goes. Frontal collision, blind spot, lane departure, all those, you name it. Tons of airbags in here as well. This car is definitely going to keep you safe in case anything bad happens. This car is a lot of fun to drive, and it's definitely a sleeper. So if you're in the market for a fun, stately, safe family car, S60 is the way to go. Just get one while you can. Let's take a look inside because I want to show you some cool stuff in there. Alright, taking a look inside the S60, and Volvo just really knows how to make a nice, classy interior. It is a cool thing to note that every seat in every Volvo is actually partially designed by orthopedic surgeons, so they're actually going to give you really, really great back support. These seats are very, very comfortable, and the leather finish on here is very nice as well. This interior color is called Blonde, which looks fantastic. I love these light color interiors, and it actually matches really, really well with the denim blue exterior. Cool thing is that on every Volvo seat, you'll notice you get a little Swedish flag hang tag, which I always thought was really, really nice. But yeah, the leather on here is just really, really pliable, and this is a brand new car. It has no miles on it, and the seats are already that plush. Usually, in a brand new car, the seats are going to be rock hard until you break them in yourself. These ones already come broken in. part of that orthopedic surgeon doing the work there for you. Now, stepping inside the car, you got this awesome two-tone steering wheel with the blonde interior and black exterior. Looks super nice. And then you have all of this brushed aluminum trim going around the car. Super cool. I love the shifter with the hole in it. Also, just super unique detail there. Like with all Volvos, you don't get a start-stop button, you get kind of a start-stop knob, so you actually twist it to start and stop the car, which is pretty cool. You do have a screen here. It's 9.7 inches diagonally, so a little bit smaller than today's screens you see in a lot of brand new cars, but they are working on that with their next generation of vehicles. So a cool thing with these screens is that all of the infotainment is actually run by Google. So for instance, for your maps, it's just Google Maps. So it's going to look exactly like how it does on your phone, work just like it does on your phone, search for things, and it's just really that easy. Anywhere Google can find, this car can find, which is everywhere. Now, another cool Google feature in here is Google Assistant. So I've made a full video going over everything in depth about Google Assistant. You can watch that video up here, but a little quick rundown is basically just like Siri on your phone. Any question that you have for the car, you can just ask it and they will answer it right away. All you have to do is click the Google Assistant button there, or you can just speak to the car and say, "Hey Google." You do also get shortcuts down at the bottom for heating and air. You have your backup camera button there as well, and then a couple other cool features in here, including YouTube. So if you want to watch one of my videos while you're sitting parked in your Volvo, you can go ahead and certainly do that. Some other cool stuff down here, you have your kind of shortcuts for your defrosters, your radio, seek for tracks. Down here you have a little cubby for change, and then if you slide this guy back, that is going to be your cup holders, and you have a 12-volt outlet there as well. And then inside here you have a nice amount of room in there with a couple USB ports also. And you do get a nice frameless mirror here also, which always looks good. Big power sunroof on here too, which is really cool because you open and close it just by sliding your finger. There's no physical button to press. You just slide your finger back and forth and it's going to open and close. You have a great amount of room in the back seat as well. This is not a small sedan by any means, and you can definitely fit 3 adults back there, no problem. All right, thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below saying goodbye to this awesome car because it deserves it. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. Have a great day.